We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs as a PDF editor. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Drive in your web browser and sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in Google Drive, you need to upload the PDF file you want to edit. Click on the New button in the top left corner, then select File Upload. Locate the PDF on your computer and double-click to upload it. After the upload is complete, find your PDF in the drive and right-click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Open With, then choose Google Docs. Your PDF will open in Google Docs, and you might notice some formatting changes, but that's okay. Now you can edit the text, images, and other elements just like you would in any Google Doc. Once you've made all your changes, you can save it back as a PDF. To do this, go to the File menu in the top left, then hover over Download and select PDF Document, PDF, from the options. Your edited PDF will be downloaded to your computer. Remember, while Google Docs does a great job with basic editing, complex PDFs with lots of formatting might require more advanced software. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.